Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel, and today we can custom Cable and Goblin Queen from X-Men 97. First, we're going to start with the Goblin Queen. For the hair, I use Skylar's hair from Ninjago, which isn't 100% accurate because she doesn't have a ponytail, but it's only like red color hair I have. Then I use the face from Batgirl from Lego DC with the torso from like this Dynamite character from the Riddler's Car Batman movie set with a Dementor cape and a dark red Superman cape. Then I use the legs from the gray Geonosian, and for the accessories I use this green flame from Ninjago with the baby Voldemort, which isn't 100% accurate, but I don't have the other Harry Potter baby piece, so this is the best I could do. This is my least favorite out of the two, by the way. Next up, we have Cable, which for the hair, I use the hair from Raptum with the face from a Jurassic World guy. Then I use this shoulder armor from the Ninjago henchmen from the Ninjago movie with the Bespin Guard Advent Calendar torso with one silver arm and one light nougat arm with both yellow hands from like Lego City. Then I use the Lego Batman belt and the Fun at the Beach Lego dual molded legs. You can also get those at Build a Minifig. Then I just gave him a blaster, which is one of those double barreled like shoot things. I'm not going to say the word that it actually is, with a binocular piece. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!